scientists have been developing an ultra-sharp knife that can cut through anything like a hot knife through butter, a breakthrough that defies the fundamental laws of materials science. Imagine a knife so sharp, it can slice through steel like it's made of paper, or cut through diamond with the same ease as cutting through wood. The secret behind this incredible cutting prowess lies in the unique combination of materials used in its construction. Researchers have discovered a way to create an ultra-hard, ultra-sharp edge using a specially developed nanomaterial. This nanomaterial is made from a mixture of carbon and nitrogen atoms arranged in a unique crystal structure that gives it unparalleled hardness and sharpness. When used in the creation of a knife, this material allows it to cut through even the toughest materials with ease. But that's not the strangest part. This knife can also self-sharpen and repair its edge, rendering it virtually indestructible. The self-sharpening mechanism is achieved through a clever use of piezoelectric crystals that can detect even the slightest damage to the blade. When the crystals detect damage, they trigger a reaction that causes the nanomaterial to reform and resharpen itself in a matter of seconds. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries such as manufacturing, construction, and even medicine, where precision cutting is essential. Imagine being able to perform delicate surgeries with a knife that can cut through tissue with the precision of a scalpel, without causing damage to surrounding areas. The implications of this technology are staggering, and it's not hard to imagine a future where such knives are a common sight in operating rooms and factories around the world. However, the journey to developing such a knife has been long and arduous, involving years of research and experimentation by teams of scientists and engineers. One of the biggest challenges faced by researchers was finding a way to create a material that was both hard and sharp, yet also flexible and durable. The solution came in the form of a new class of nanomaterials that can be tailored to have specific properties and characteristics. By carefully controlling the arrangement of atoms within the material, researchers were able to create a nanomaterial that was both ultra-hard and ultra-sharp. The next challenge was to develop a way to manufacture these nanomaterials on a large scale, while also ensuring that they could be used in a knife that was both durable and user-friendly. This involved the development of new techniques for depositing and patterning the nanomaterials, as well as creating a design for the knife that would allow it to be used safely and effectively. The result is a knife that is both incredibly sharp and virtually indestructible, with a self-sharpening mechanism that allows it to maintain its edge even after repeated use. But how does it work, exactly? The answer lies in the unique properties of the nanomaterial used in its construction. When the nanomaterial is subjected to stress or impact, it can absorb the energy and then release it, causing the material to reform and resharpen itself. This process is known as self-healing, and it's a property that is unique to this particular nanomaterial. The self-healing mechanism is not just limited to repairing the edge of the knife, but can also be used to repair other types of damage, such as scratches or dents. This means that the knife can be used in environments where it may be subjected to heavy wear and tear, without fear of it becoming damaged or losing its edge. The implications of this technology are far-reaching, and it has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries and applications. From manufacturing and construction to medicine and beyond, the possibilities are endless, and it's not hard to imagine a future where such knives are a common sight. But for now, this incredible technology remains in the realm of science fiction, and it's up to researchers and engineers to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible. One thing is certain, however: the future of cutting and manufacturing is going to be a whole lot sharper thanks to this incredible breakthrough. So if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and let me know in the comments what you think is the most exciting application of this technology. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.